Hello. So, as you know, you need help in setting up the local environment and the workspace for Angular projects. So, I'm Shubham here. I'm going to help you for setting up the Angular CLI in your system. So, first of all, I just want to let you know that you need to know some of the knowledge about JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Once you have that, and if you have any knowledge about the TypeScript, that would be great. So once you have that information, that knowledge, you can start like building up your Angular apps. So for building up an Angular app, first of all, you need some softwares. Software like you need Node. So Node.js. That is for let me show you quickly. So you can just type in Node.js in Google and you can just go at the website and you can just download the recommended version that says like LTS. That's the most latest with the stable version. So you can just download that. And you, if you have like multiple nodes in your system, multiple versions, then you need node package manager. But right now we are not doing that because I am just telling you with a single version of Node. So after installing this, as I have already installed in my system, so I'm not going to install again, but you can just install from here. After installing this, you can just go in your wherever you want to um, make your project. You can just type in here npm uh, install. It's G for global at Angular slash CLI. That gonna help you in setting up the npm, and it will be going to install Angular for command line. So when you, as you press enter with that, it will start some setting up the environment and everything. I have already did that to save our time, so I'm gonna just stop it. And once you are done with this, you can just start with creating the workspace. So wherever you want to put your project, you can just put there, go there. So I'm going to do with the same directory. So I'm not going anywhere. So you can just type in here ng new. This is the ng new command. It's just to initialize new application. And then you can just put any name of your application. So right now, like I can put like my app, or you can put like anything. You can put test. Like let's take example of test. So once you do that, you can just start it, and it will take some time to initialize. But right now I'm not going to show like whole process because it will take like a lot of time. So it will ask you some questions if you want to share your bundles with the Angular. So you can say yes or no, it's up to you. Then it's going to ask you if you want Angular routing or not, then you can say yeah. And then it's going to ask like CSS, you want CSS sass or what. So I said CSS. Now it will start downloading the things. So I'm going to just quickly stop it, and I have something the same. I just put like my name there. So it's my app. So you can see. So I will just, so after installing it, just go in the project directory by just by writing cd, the project directory name, the name which you put like test, or I just made like my app, so I'm just going in my app. So once you go there, you can just run your app just by putting the command ng-serve. So ng-serve, it will say open. So when you say ng-serve open, it's gonna start some processing and it's gonna run your new application. So now you're welcome to the Angular application. Now you can make changes accordingly, like what you wanna do here. So once you do that, I'm gonna quickly show you what gonna happen there. So it's gonna take you to the link, and it will be starting at this link. So localhost 4200, and this link gonna say okay, because I just stopped it, so I'm just gonna run it again just to show you. So once you do the command, when you say enter, it will take around like 3 minutes. So after that, it will be going to say compile successfully, and it's gonna open the file. So this is the app here. So you can just make any changes you wanna do there. It's gonna even guide you if you wanna generate component and make different things here. So if you wanna go in the code and see where's the code, so you have two options. You can just go in the project directory, and you can just go like, I just do like that shortcut. So I use Visual Code. So I just type code space dot. It's gonna open the Visual Code and tell me that. So these are the files generated. Node module, G2E, SRC. The SRC gonna have all the structure for the website. So that's everything for setting up a mobile Angular application. Thanks.